So here's the first scan of the 07K engine. This is all processed and been saved out at high res. It's about 2 million faces with texture turned on right now. This Einstar scanner is the bomb. You can see it's got all of the detail. I did do some auto closing, so it's a watertight mesh. Next up, I'm gonna make a much more reduced version of this scan. And here's the mesh. You can see 07K 103023B. You can see in the parts here where it's auto closed the errors that I couldn't get in the scanner. But this is a great start for being able to, for example, very accurately model exhaust flanges, engine mounts, try some oil pan mounts. I'll obviously, if I'm going to be doing anything further, I'll take some more of the stuff off the engine. I'll actually take all the accessories off and do another scan of just the bare block. But pretty cool.